contacted something. I have read the messages and I started after the screwing up only. So your message only. Rahul Kaushik also said that what you were innocent if you wrote. Actually, see, you were drug case even arrested international criminal. Okay, and then you did rape. These all frauds you have done. You were in a misleading way that your mother, all the Congress leaders, all over the people were misleading you. Actually, you became pure when Shiv Shakti came. After that only, that is the universal assignment. Now you decide what are the things. See the Mahakal. We have done 4 times darshan. Okay, there is some truth in this, and I understood the purpose. Even now, I told the Noori's case, right? That is the reality. In our house also, when the Uttaram that demolished that vastu that started that time, our cow that it severely suddenly, and my father was crying like that, the way you were crying by hugging Noorina. Then that cow died, and after that, so many things happened. Sequence of very accidents, fractures, and at last my father died. Okay, that's it. So now I understood the clear warning. Who are all in this world gathering? Now you are my responsibility. That is it. Actually, I know after my father's death only, I know that somebody is crying inside me. And I used to think that my father's soul only like that. Sometimes I used to think sometimes I used to think Abhishek. But after coming to Delhi only, that the baby is crying. That I understood that. Okay. So the universe made up to reflect that your cry emotion in me, and that not only that all emotions, and made me to do these all things, but these all such devils was planned and disturbed, irritated, and first showed their family culture and irritated and created all conflicts and tried to loot these all things have done and everything. And now you understood the lessons, na? So that these devils will be like that. We cannot solve that thing. But now it's you will not have, because that devil actually that Matana, I know so many reports are that she even tried to join BJP. And culture of fraud, wherever will get a chance, will run into culture of fraud, greed. How much father run to the entire family generation looted and grabbed also, or come under desperation, not satisfied, and like that kind of. You are not like that. You are a pure baby. You like the natural things, natural, not beauty makeups like that. And that's the thing we are like that. Okay, so many things. You need peace. What this devil is giving, that is not peace. That your entire peace will be gone forever. That's the thing. And so you don't put so much of dialogues. I know that you have actually when I was scolding, when I started scolding, after that only got afraid, because you played, because that when that a man confront man will not, he will stand. But whenever we are getting offer, you will go get all the offer. But these offers are the loopholes for them to control. Actually, that's the reason also Pushpa will give offers, but so that he want to ensure that everything will be under his control. And when you will go try to break his control, and then he will tell, because of me only you did that. This is what his thing. He like that the way, and he all fellows are also like that only. This entire Malayali, the way I'm telling you, they also grabbed so much, even though these fellows were supporting in between, but these all everybody supporting us to power grabbing. It's possible like that. There is nothing culture and doubles, even including the Samla language. I used to feel ashamed. Actually, his person have so much of dedication to the nation, and he was in PM security for 10 years. And he even you people, everybody, and all the 10 prime ministers, he worked with like that, and so many things. But the thing see, I can understand that when something is favor, so how they are concerned, otherwise it's actually these are not silly people. Even this is what when the capable the top position people, they will be treating everybody respect to the extent. But when you are in the low level, and they will you whether they will wait chance, they will sit analyze and not even having the eligibility to understand the things. So this is what the Congress leaders. This is even the KCV, and how many times I tried to talk that your attitude, it's not, it's this and all immature people will do, but you have all maturity to understand, organize, everything is there, but there is something missing in you. That what are you, all the leaders there are Ramesh, what you are not this and all, it's all like personality disorders. People, they should know to behave to people and respect, listen to people. Not only that, to all the leaders, none of them, even including this Vasnik, everybody, what is his name? Narayana. That's the way I'm telling that the desperateness to control each of the job wherever the war, even a single word is getting grab and this and incapable fellows will do. and then, so what are the elder fellows? These all fellows, these their nonsense and their greediness, their desperateness, but it is affecting the nation and the younger generation and the youth, the researchers, how much we are tolerating and suffering, and we are not even eating food, and we are not thinking about our life or enjoyment or nothing, and we are dedicating our life, give culture or double selling our life and grabbing wherever we get such enjoyment. These are things only you fellows agenda. That's the thing. And so all this nice lad, listen and okay, so I will take care of you later. I will take you bath, everything, whatever the thing your wishes. No, that are all my dreams only. So don't worry. That is thing. But when he was scolding me, I got so much of frustration. And and again you went, how dare you can go and this kind of a culture. Oh, he's like a but there will be many good quality guys. That's it. This kind of culture where you get again for desperateness culture of fraud. You will be like a Kutta. This Shashi Tharoor, this all are acting now. Everybody is, when I disclosed all of their plans now they are trying to overcome this thing. Also they are understood that see you the entire people are trusting you that there is a large gathering for you, right? So that's the reason. Then one thing these fellows think they can keep you as a puppet and rule, and these all fellows nonsense, immature fellows, these are their mental disorders, these all things. The entire India will be devastated. Not only India. I told that I am still thinking about the global perspective. There are so many things has to be done, and so many methods. None of them have the common sense of maturity to handle in a diplomatic way. There are so many things. See, why I alone had to undergo these many situations. I was a scientist actually. I was a researcher. I was minding my own. I wanted to develop intelligence system. I was going away from all things. In IIT Bombay, 10 years I kept it quiet. I never opened my mouth. So that's the reason these fellows are tracing my phone calls, these all things to know what I am doing, to whom I am talking, and that. So that me, where I had to undergo this many situations. Everybody says where I am. So that's it. See, who are suffering now? So the God knows that God's favorite people only will be suffering, because now they only have the ability, potential to tolerate that. So to that people only they will be testing this content. Otherwise now the other incapable fellows will be. That's the thing. So we should be appreciative that we have been selected to see. So that will strengthen us, and everything is leading for some other thing. Okay, so that's the reason. But that doesn't mean that I am tolerating everything and I am leaving away nonsense. Everything has each and every fellows just count on. Okay, and that's a fear process. That's why he's desperately trying to control this much. I have seen that you might be the thing who send that mail, that public speaking. Fraud. You do not. You are a culture fellow. That's what I am telling about your family. Even you are thinking always trying to put me in your cage. I am not like that. You do not know about my public speaking. And if I am starting in a all culture, 24 hours, there is no point in that. But actually, I am getting frustrated of these fellows arrogant that we are high class. The way these downs were injecting all the securities has to be shot on the culture. Street dogs only will be injecting, and in the airport also there are security. So where is the culture on the what that bastard has to be killed? This kind of you are quite a securities and the culture not getting any education, nothing. That kind of fellows only. This is what main thing. These security level people, they don't have much education or understanding potential or capability. They will be having the limited outskirt view only they are seeing, and from that these fellows are putting scenarios, creating situation where the problems are creating by the securities only. That's a fundamental thing. These fellows are not having the eligibility, the potential to mental ability to understand or digest the things, and then we'll put so much of dialogues and spoiling everything. Okay, so then I know that so many discussions, so many things, and people are desperate that the power actually one thing that I will be controlling, and that so many things are going. Actually, see, the Indian education sector already intensive, but even though Professor Pushpak is doing the correct things, but they have done so many other things. But that Indo-US Research Association, so many things that management system and all they have done. So many things they have done. But the thing now, that should propagate in the right way. There are so many things, and actually, because of you, Kachara fellows, and your behavior also. Yeah, I can come. last mail also, last letter also, I have written my plans clearly. But didn't you understand that this you are playing it? You want everybody to you are over player. This is you are not that innocent. Half only you are innocent. Okay, I know that thing, and that's the reason I know this Kachara double is coming. This prostitute, Kachara murderous prostitute is coming. She will take out your all negativities, and these all will the entire India will be exploited that prostitute. And don't remember that these all leaders will go behind her under the over politeness, and she is acting that these all leaders will go behind that the entire India will be going like another. So you are after your mother also. See what you are doing this escapist in this all time. They can indicating that your mother was a Russian spy. Okay, that you need to understand that. That is, there are clear reports. There are so many things, and so what are the things because of your lack of maturity and people have done. That's the thing. So I know that so many place agreements will be there, and that are not going to work out in India. Okay. Even in Modi Amisha, even Amisha is, even though he have a criminal thing, and he also lacks some, he cannot speak much in that way, like that. He also lacks many things. Okay. So many things, everybody, so many things. Why I had to suffer this whole thing, undergo this whole thing unnecessarily, that is happened. Just to understand that are the sufferings I am doing very important. I am road to put into her vagina. That see, look at my hand and that black it became that because of that police, that security and that police lady for madness or not. That's what I was calling, and she was the person she should has to be killed on the spot. See, that they were putting their hand and that the iron thing on the hand on my thing, and unnecessarily I am being dragged under that thing. You look at a nice life. You are the one acting, and like this is called you are not a, this is what I am telling, that you are not a capable man. That's the reason. A man, I know how a man will treat it. A man will never let a girl's life into the by putting emotional traps. And I know that you always wanted that. So I should talk these all things, and then only that your shyness will give. Then again you will play. And actually this is not good actually. This is the reason I am resisting it. So many things you have to be. So why God assigned the universe assigned our thing. There is a purpose. You has to be transformed and carried through a right, fruitful way. That's the reason you were how peaceful we were when Shivshakti started. We were, and then when these all devils started pouring out of their jealous frustration, and this, see, initially onwards I was telling you to come to that temple. At the time also this Somala uncle also played, and you will say everybody played. These all Narayanas, these all culture, their immaturity, lack of understanding, these all things. Every devils like this is what you fellows. Everybody with a mental training, well-being training, actually. If you press in the building of the correctness, where the power will get right. This is not called power. This is not called politics. You will help to learn what is politics actually. First understand the meaning of politics. So many things are there. Don't get excited or don't see something. Something. Do you think that it will last? That it will within 1 year it will collapse down. That's the thing going to get. That's the reason I was not coming later and you tell us, oh, you waited with immediately when they will come suddenly you are thinking. And that don't live, but learn to understand the people and behave in that way, rather than what benefit you will get like that, and that and not going to last. That's the reason happening. Okay, and that these all fellows are planning something, and that everybody trying to. So many things are there. Everybody depends upon the situation for their benefits and their things and that. Okay, so nothing is going to work out. Okay, so there is a. It's for everybody's good only, but you fellows behavior, these all things only happening. Why I am telling you Narayanas, because that much that securities are insulting me, abusing me, and even though whenever you are telling to come, most of the days I am coming, and but that I think about the securities are insulting me and blocking it. Okay, these fellows have to sort on to that is this Pushpa culture. That is what I am telling. Very third class family coming under that kind of situation, and they only will be doing like that when they will get their ego jealous, and Pushpa is always like that. When my fund water, oh, you want to get from that, what you are going to do from that? You want to control all others' lives. That is the thing. That's the same thing only these Narayana also doing culture fraud, will lasting out for like wheels of culture, insanity. And then when I told about that Mohan and these all stick around this Malayali somewhere. Most of the sailors are just money for like 24 that like culture, but then some 70 or 80-year-old old man, and then the way he was touching my leg and then touching my hand, and what helping you? I want to support it. That like generated him. Actually, at least you only came and talked to Sony and I arranged that. I know that, but still he is telling the daughter the sexual things and what he get. There are many people there who don't do that. Somebody is coming, came on the staying in the railway station to get married. These are culture of not having any assistance beyond that. Spitting into you fellows and marketing and grabbing and like that. That's why these fellows are showing this much of. They don't have any. They don't have lack of their inabilities. That's the reason these fellows are doing these all frustrations. And so on the other hand, I don't need you. You are nothing, and I am supporting you. Okay, that's the thing. And because of you, I got distracted from my action plans. I have my own identity in the world, and I have all your others. So I don't need you. And everybody was scolding me. And day for yesterday, also one person when I came to the lab, there I have some conflict. That's the thing. I realized the assignment purpose. Shiva devotees only. Everywhere I am reaching, and there will be everywhere the people will be helping me in particular areas like that. And so that person, he is very much careful to caring for me. And so he always says, don't get into it, I am worried about you like that. So day for yesterday, I went for a discussion with him. I think he was telling that. And when I was telling Rahulji, he told, no, don't call Rahulji. He don't deserve it. Tell Rahul. And he's telling it. Do you know why he is making some comments like that these fellows will put a papu like that comments in you are telling random. That is, he's telling it. You are drug addict. That's why you are doing it. So that you understand how much stories these fellows are putting, and you are by taking your past. And these congress leaders, these fellows are propagating that. So you need to understand it. And then everyone, you are afraid to your story, and actually see, I should be serious. How many girlfriends you are having it? The drug leaders, Betty, can tell her your birthday. Don't you feel shame and this? And then all the ladies sucking into the thing and see, so many sexually transmitted diseases will be there. Then these all stories, these all fraud cases, these all things are there. Usually, I'm scared like fraud. This is that the fellows will get overall what and what Gandhi people are not Gandhi, people are Gandhi. That's the thing. That you are the of Gandhi. That's the thing. And the day for somebody else's fight. You are not Hindu, Muslim. And then everybody was Muslim only like that. They were scolding me. And don't go behind Hindu like that. See, that's the thing, reality. And this is the way our authority people, and I was having a reputation. These Kerala Malayali fellows thinking that because of they have some concepts because of that I have an culture of raised up. They are not ready to do any job and are sticking around. Actually, Somala Angala was telling to one person in front. I have heard, so if people are getting somebody, they will try to utilize, grab like that so much. That is the thing, these fellows greedy. How can trap others and spoil and grab? That is the only way in there. Then we will show that it is some culture apart here. Actually, I have all organizations, these cultures are not even knowing that since I am from Trivandrum, they keep the license, they can put any comments and I have heard that if somebody is knowing that without a culture of fraud, you are a drug leader, drug addict case even internationally, they said case, criminal, rapist, murder, these all things they are there and they still making comments out. Don't utter your mouth about it. It's feel thankful that I am showing my consideration to you. You know that when these all fellows will stick to you and what they are doing on the deck, and I am putting my sincerity and that you don't even deserve. That's the only thing because of our natural connection and my father's sympathy. And then I want to save India world. That's the thing. Okay, don't take it for granted so much. Stupid fella. Then how much of the chemicals this and I am sorry. You are not a man. Actually, this is what I feel. I know that not even a fellow will dare to look at my body. That's the thing. That he will know what I do to carry my bag or nothing even. That's the thing. And you capture a fellow. Indeed. Going so often like and where I will get the shakka these great prostitutes on the end. That's it Matana kind of you stood the production piece you got how do you suck that prostitute? Don't die. I was thinking that you have to be deep in Ganga and Manastra, then only you will be playing here. after touching these kind of culture. I'm ashamed of myself very a bit. This is actually the Papa Karma of Shaba of all the boys who stood in front of my room and waited for me. But how many people from school owners, how many people cried in front of me? They're all Shabas. In plus one, just say this. Oh, he got devastated. Everywhere she was like that. That's the reason I ended up. You make it comments that you are from superhero. So, listen. I will be calling that you also our compromise. You are there to this dinner, so don't worry. See, these all fellows will do so many things and everybody. See, one thing you need to understand. These all things he got from these all countries, this India Alliance or whatever the thing is now, everything after Shakti only. Okay, when I came and started, after that everything and then on the process, it is, even though I am not coming in person there, it's because of that industry. But you fellows are not knowing what are the things I am doing on the back for these fellows because of this. And that you do not, we don't have the mental stamina to understand these all things. Okay, so there is a part of, there is a thing, there is a part. And even in, see, even if it is winning or failure also, winning also that is not going to last because these alliance and are not going to work out. They will not let you implement anything and they will quarrel and the BJP they will only screw up and everything will another thing, second thing, and even the BJP is leading also that was Amit Shah's plan that is they will be saying. See, you fellows need to understand them. Now why these fellows are trying this much desperation to make you to try for the Matana to finish you for all. And after that you block me. That's the main aim. So after that now you fellows will not be able to understand these fellows traps or anything. Not whatever the thing till now that will not be the thing. If these fellows are coming third thing, that will there will be completely monopoly. So after that you will never be able to come back in there. And then for another 50 years these fellows will get the thing. That is the tragedy that you need to understand. Nobody will be there to support you. This how now itself you don't know. Even in the election campaign time, how many traps they have done. These fellows will put all the cases, all the traps, everything, and you will be finished. Actually, that is another thing. 54 years. That is the warning from nature. That you need to understand that if you are going without your mother or sister, then really you just get a nice slap and don't get overexcited and don't think that these fellows are trying to support you fellows and everybody has these all fellows only you are telling the so say everybody will act nicely in the front on the back of the but these all things they will only but because YouTubers activities over also like that. Everybody is selfish and for that. Okay, that's the thing. How many crowds you fellows grabbed on my name and on top of that my relations were the police, the police, your entire thing just to wait. My mobile, laptop, every morning also my mobile was not working. So don't get a dream into that culture drop and invest it to everybody because now everything and there are so many things actually. On top of that, wherever I am going, the offices everywhere, see everywhere everybody is following me. And after seeing this kind of videos, the securities are attacking me. These are taking it as a all good. So I am like running behind me like that. And this and my frustration and I am scolding because you literally actually this is see there would not be any such situation if a man is not proper and properly handling this thing. It is everything is because of you. I told of many times for under the you can tell public that you won't do nomination for you don't have anything to chuck anybody who arrange and that and actually these all are the chalu people. They will only do like this. Actually I know that my father also is not caring the family much. He will think his thing only, his friends family. That's the only thing only he will do. But they will also like but he used to take care of the things, family things, everything and but still it is they think that's the reason. But our family have Moola Dosham. That's the reason all Moola stars are actually in my political own boy. Girish Kumar he liked me very much and he loved me. But Moola Nasatra. After that, I escaped. That's the thing. So then we ended up in New York. And then I understood, okay, it's destiny to be That's what I want to. It's you are my responsibility. I will take care of you. I will go on to doctor care of this kind of India. Don't worry. You can make a new. So everything. Even though these fellows are doing whatever place they are doing, there is a way to implement it. See, I wanted to establish a mental well-being research center. My research also I am coordinating with the politics. And actually this is also another experience. I can understand the various levels of mental health issues in all the sectors. In the political field also how actually see as part of developing the mental well-being research center also how in each area we can cover up and that include their your problems also I can learn. This also might be another way to that. So many things are there. So don't worry, we are on the right track. Everything happened for a good thing, and everything is happening for a good thing. Everything will be happening for a good thing. So don't get distracted. Rajashri, Shiva Shakti, okay, the ultimate Trishul, okay. Moreover, that I have an M in there, both sides. That so many things are there, okay. So Mahakal, Mahakal. All the other things we came now, that's the thing. We have to go to Thailand. Manishita, take a different Manishita. So many things, everything we can do that, okay. Everything has its own way. That's Sarika. And it's about why Indians and Israel. I think you fellows are not going to how to wear the public. But there are many more. Actually, see, when I came to Kashi Vishwanath, to get married in Kashi Vishwanath, and then Ameti, my first introduction will be in Ameti. That's the plan. Actually, that in Ameti, that large audience that was arranged actually. But I got delayed. Actually, that because of the Harid only, I came to Triveni, Allahabad, then Triveni Sangam. From there, I got while traveling to Ameti, I got distracted. I went to the path got changed, and that's the reason I delayed. And by the time people finished Amity and people went. But I think Amity, Raipurali, everywhere I came, everything happened for a reason. So Priyanka Gandhi, don't get me. You looks like you have man look, and nowadays you're all Gandhi. And the baby, don't get here my baby, okay? Ma, basically, that's the thing. Everything is under our control, okay? So this can be, we are getting distracted with this kachara, etc. I'm getting angry. How dare you think that your mindset to be getting angry? Oh, sensitive and why that's what disturbing. What is there will be this kind of market place. Wherever the market also we get a first children like that family market. Then these Malayalis, because of people studied in the Archaeology, will also come some prostitutes are there, set up a business, and then in the Guru Mayuru also these fellows, these all lobbies are exceeding from all the roads, grab, these are the thing all to execute their that what legacy of. But in the Modi government, they have done thoughts and all, but there is a way, there is a strategy, systematic ways going on. And you fellows will resolve, because I understood all of you fellows have the mental discussions and people are not organized. There is no united system is not there. So that is going to affect us. On top of that, it is all culture, India and all culture, blah, blah, blah. This is not going to work out, man. So if you want to survive, and the only way we can systematically we can make the Congress alone come. And don't worry, sir. All the good alliances from that thing. Actually, KC will tell that through that that DMK is halting under their so many their setups, establishments, these all things. There is a way. Everybody have good and bad in this, so that we can take it in a good way. Okay, that is also there. But still of continuous and jolliness can also depend on the overall consider security to that airport and just to wait parties. Okay, so you don't get excited and overwhelmed and run these places. In Delhi, all these things in the 7 countries, I got the competitor from Delhi South even. Anyway, that is after person only competing against that BJP person. He is not going to win. He is only turned to class educated, and the other person is highly educated, and he is only sitting MD also. This fellow is at ML. There is no point in competing. In South India, everybody is knowing this also. That Ahankara, that I also told to Somalanangala. But this fellow is irresponsible. This is what. If something has to tell you, so no person is there whom to call. And even Somlal uncle only telling the KCB about me. But he is not even like KCB. He's all lying and these fellows. And the KCB, how many times I called the phone and he will not pick it, and I'm going to home also will not talk. And then we are thinking in the house for this Matana that Ashok Gulat and arranging the setup. Just understand, this is Malayalis, how to dig down and then go on to tell you. So it is always over my saving. That is what he tells us. He has catch a fraud, devils. And all Malayali and the Toronto that culture. See, actually, this Matana is a kind of Palmaja and Gobal, that kind of a wherever we get it. He even tried to join BJP. That is what is Matana. And then I tried to do, actually I was planning so many things, and even the India, you never say everything looked at how the 27 to 30 on second meeting, I get and so many pieces. There are people just to wait and the way you are controlling, dominating, you thinking that you are the supreme ultimate in the world. This is a third class type disorder. In Abhishek, we were spring. So, Javi Ganji, you listen what the universe is telling. Okay, so we have the natural. You know, right, in your 54 years of life, nobody could understand your emotions or this, your all feelings, fears, frustration, everything nice flow. It was going like a drug, right? So that's the thing. How it is nature, you know. So that is the connection. Just as a, you cannot trust anybody. So just to believe in the, you know what it is. That's the only thing. Okay. So there is a truth in that. Now the Noori also went into the severe in that and the news is warning. Just listen to that, okay? And then and that you are putting that photo in that house, so you don't even have a house. That is certainly irresponsible man. And you actually what are the plans I was saying, you have to construct a home or home model, everything I was there. You said that's what I my frustration, my all plans good. Seriously, my kids and it's very so much. I'm not even able to do anything. Mystery even I'm not able to take that much. Because my frustration is see, I cannot put like this and like this come, I cannot put straight. So everybody put the whole photo was into it, then a meeting under the double has to be in the just wait. I will put your nice treatment I will use. There was another murder of a lot. Everybody is like it. So listen, at my mobile will break out at 4 okay, bye. So listen. Bye.